And I'm back again with another Eastern Cape vlog. I know it's been a while, but yeah, we're here again. Please, guys, I know, but please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know the vibe. We're back again with Eastern Cape vlogs. Curious. So we're on our way to Eastern Cape. But to set up home meals. So stay tuned. Bazawugqitha. Period.
Alright, it's fine.
It's okay.
I'm barely took some time. Alright, it's fine. Barely took some time. Alright, you guys alright, fine.
2 hours later, Sese Alwan North. Of course, first, about 2 hours later. I think it's 3 because what do you mean? What do you mean? Sipina apa?
Sana lwam uzungafuna ukufana nabanye ngoba into zakho zidinga idolo zonke mntanam kufuna ujonge phezulu awuphezulu xa kuphela amandla fika ubunzima funa ujonge phezulu awuphezulu apho uncedo lwakho lovela khona anthembanga kuhlakanipha kwakho anthembanga nabantoya kubo mna nthemba imfundiso zam nemfefe zikamdali phezu kwakho hamba ke uyoduma esizweni sungalibali ikhaya lakho inhlonipho.
Hayi bona ku DJ Hi my loves, I hope you guys are good. Sana guys, ndiye ndamoshekelwa yi-charger xa ndifika apha. Noba nimangela uba why like ndivele ndakhatha nje i-vlog. Ndiye ndamoshekelwa yi-charger so since ndingenafowuni. So yeah guys, sisafika safe futhi. So yeah man, unfortunately sana akho nto yenziwayo this year. There's no mgidi, there's nothing. So yeah, please young and interrise. Sizobabhota sonke kulo December. You'll be spending my few days with me. Some of the days, not all of the days, but yeah. Because I'm going to shoot the content. Say hi. Okay. So yeah guys, see you in the next video. I don't know what's going to happen, but yeah. Bye for now.
Suthi video mntana masambe.
Kuzabuya isentanyana nje kulo $100. Bulise ba abangubani abantu ba.
Let's go to a shop. Sihamba sonke. Hayibo ntombazana. Why urude kanti? Urude man. Sana. Undishiyelani ke ngoku? Hey, bye guys. Hi Ranger, say hi to my vlog. Sana. Umuntu uhamba nathi kodwa uyashiya. Bazoyicima okusalayo. Uzofika uthathise khona. Our first your first friend on campus. All right. I hope I get a girl. Why are we DVD? Yeah, Sunny. But in Sunny expose that thing. This side.
We are born
I say cutie son. Half. And there's E2. I don't know if that one is clear. But Nancy any. Sana iyandishiya le ntombazana. Mayenzala kanye akwanele. Ngiyamthanda. Uthanda bani? Kusayo.
Yeah, that's one.
Uyamthanda? Uxolo, sorry. Wandito ingathi uzothi wenzani. Aba yinto esindayo. Siya laphaya khona lapho ufuna engathi laphaya. La. Noko sesifikile.
Kusho bani? Ngoba mina nami ngiyalala bese futhi umhlobo ngiyalala.
Ikhipha vale wena.
Ngiyalala. Anginayo.
besenzaka amakhadede okanye ndizenzela i-cash send and then sayicela angeke bamenemali engakhalela into eqinile manje e-red ndiyeke ntoni oh i-red ngiyaqala nokuyibona siyelele hayi nontombi noba zindlane eziphefini ke thenga into kamama luyigqibile thatha oh hayi bani hayi baba uzafumana yho 30 rand mani 30 rand yogogo 30 rand ngiyamubona lena qalisa no etheni ikhona oh nansi I know.
Jika so unge straight.
Ah, ngikhola kuna shaji.
Okay, brother. Ngama system. Nyanga mbelo. Ngela na yapa kwa sebenza babo. Umntana umntako yethu lo.
Hayibo.
Ya.
Yes. Eh? Sana yangathi ikhasi. Oh, mka. Eh?
Ukubambile mfana. Kodwa mthembu kakhulu. Ya. Uyibuye uyero phansi. Ngika la mfana.
Uthani? Eh? Uyedi mpela. Saba njeni cha. Early in the morning. Ayiwe.
Uphatha amabhodlela ngeplastiki inyama kayithenganga ungena traps ukhala mntana. Ayiyo le bayithuliwe
Iphoko yintoni na?
ayiyo kodwa lena.
Hayibo.
Umalume kuthiwa uphathe uzolanda
Washing day. I'm washing the windows. She's doing the curtains. It's busy.
Apho phezulu mhlawumbe leyiqala. Shota masango.
I'm not